To remove the hard drive, first remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Pull out on the retaining latch for the hard drive cage, and firmly slide the hard drive out to the side to disengage it from its connector. Pull the hard drive out of the unit. If replacing the hard drive, detach the 4 shock-mounted Phillips No. 1 guide screws on the sides of the drive and reserve. To install a new hard drive, attach the 4 reserved shock-mounted Phillips No. 1 screws to the sides of the new hard drive. The guide screws slide into slots on the hard drive cage on the PC. To replace the hard drive into the unit, align the 4 screws over their slots, pulling out on the retaining latch as necessary. Slide the hard drive towards the center of the unit until it is completely engaged with its connector.